Ever maxed out your GrabPay wallet? Or maybe you're about to, and you're wondering if there's a limit. Well, you're not alone. Let's dive into the world of GrabPay and figure out just how much you can actually load and spend. GrabPay, right? It's like digital cash in your pocket. You use it for rides, food, shopping, basically anything under the sun. But have you ever hit a wall? A digital wall, that is, when trying to load more money into your wallet. Let's talk limits. GrabPay does have its boundaries, but they're not as strict as a bouncer at a VIP club. It depends on a few things. Your GrabPay wallet type. There are two main types, basic and premium. Premium obviously has higher limits. Your verification level. Grab wants to make sure it's really you, so verification levels can affect your limits. The type of transaction. Sending money to a friend might have different limits than paying for a GrabFood order. So, what are these limits exactly? Well, for the basic wallet, you're typically looking at a lower limit. It's there to keep things simple for casual users. But if you're a GrabPay Power user, you'll want to upgrade to Premium. That's where things get interesting. Now, here's a twist. Even with a Premium wallet, there are still limits. It's like having a black card, but with a spending cap. It's to protect you and Grab from fraud, and to manage their system. But don't worry, it's not like you can only load a measly amount. The limits are usually pretty decent, especially if you're a verified user. And remember, these limits can change. Grab might update them from time to time, so it's always a good idea to check their official website or app for the latest info. But what if you hit the limit? Don't panic. There are usually ways around it. You could try splitting payments, using multiple wallets, if you have family or friends with GrabPay, or simply waiting for the next cycle. So, to sum it up, GrabPay does have limits, but they're generally reasonable and designed to protect your account. The key is to understand your wallet type, verification level, and the type of transaction you're making. And if you ever hit a wall, don't stress. There are usually workarounds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy grabbing.